right 6 short.
Crest into right 3, don't cut. So right 6 short and crest into right 3, don't cut, and crest into right 5 short and 50 downhill into left 3 plus and then 80, left 3 plus, 80, right 5 short over crest, 30, crest 70, left 5 short kick, left 5 short kick, and then 50, left 6 short into crest 40, right 5, crest 40, right 5, and then 30, left 5 uphill caution, deceptive crest right 4, deceptive crest right 4, and crest left 5 short, and turn right 3 at the junction, so turn right 3 here at the junction. And crest 70, crest 80, double crest, and then 250 straight up the middle.
Shit, out of second.
And then crest stay left into jump middle. So middle of this one, oh sorry, left of this one, and then middle of the jump. Middle of the jump, and right 6 over jump. 90, right 6 short, and left 5 minus into small crest, left 5 minus into small crest, 170, jump middle, small crest 80, jump middle, small crest middle 80, crest, and left 4 long slippy, left 4 long slippy. Left 4 long slippy, and right 4 over short, small crest, sorry, into left 4 into right 4.
Yep.
Left 4 into right 4, and right 5 plus up the hill, and right 4 plus, 150, so right 4 plus here, 150, left 6 tightens to 4.
Say it again.
Left 6 tightens to 4. And right 4 over small crest into downhill left 4 plus, downhill left 4 plus, 80, crest, and caution, bump, left 4 downhill loose. So over this crest, and then bump, left 4 downhill loose. 50, small crest, 50, right 3 plus uphill, into crest, into right 5 short over crest. Again. And right 5 short over crest, and then left 4 over lake crest, left 4 over lake crest, 50, right 5 short into crest left 4, to crest left 4, and right 6 plus, and right 5 through the clearing, so right 5 here, through the clearing, into crest, 50, don't cut, right 3 loose, don't cut, right 3 loose. 100 through the logs, left 3 minus over crest, and right 4 into left 3 over crest. So right 4 into left 3 over crest, and big crest, into caution, left 4 tightens to 3 lake crest, caution, left 4 tightens to 3 over lake crest, 50, crest into right 5 short, don't cut, 80, right 4 long over crest, tightens at the second crest, 170, oh no, try restarting it, pull in on the right, try not to go into soft stuff, you try and get it working, I'll get the OK out.
Yeah. Going down.